Rose,
Wait.
ready? Set? Paw! Let's train!
Twirl. Yes.
We start with movement, building rhythm and focus.
Good girl. Around.
Forward, backward,
Orbit.
we are staying in sync.
Orbit. Nice. Check. Yes. Scoop.
Teamwork means supporting each other. A good
Selling.
workout partner
Switch.
makes every lift easier.
Switch. Good. Switch. Yes. Hey, off. Off. Sit.
Control, calm, and confidence.
Down. Lay down. Roll. Yes. Hip. Lay down.
Inhale,
Good. Down.
exhale.
Bow.
Stay centered.
Yes.
We move through obstacles together.
Good girl. Go. Ready. Ready. Go. Yes. Pause.
With stability, coordination, and trust.
Nice job. Yes. Wait. Good. Wait. Okay. Workout.
We are strongest as a team, and we push through together.
Yes. Okay. Off. Down.
We are sure to stretch all limbs
Good.
while working on balance and strength.
Good. Tight. Yes. Spin. Spin. Tight.
Workout complete. Now it's game on. Rose takes the first shot. I get the ball. But Rose isn't going to let me keep it. She steals it.
Basket.
Score!
Yes. Sit. Try.
Got her.
Okay, get it. Around.
Rose gets the rebound.
Basketball.
Another point.
Yes. Pause up.
Victory
Yes.
for Rose.
Good job.
2 feet, 4 paws, 1 team. Training is better together.